Hello friends and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. This is the last one, the final day, the end of Vlogmas for 2024. I can't believe what an absolute pleasure and treat it has been to come on here every day for the last 24 days and share my life with you. The lovely comments, the support, the appreciation, the love that I have received over this period has just filled my heart. And I hope that with all the Vlogmas that I've done, that I've been able to provide some of that love back to you. Now, today is it. I am wearing what I was going to wear for a Christmas in July. This skirt I bought from Temu early in the year, and I'm just wearing a crisp white shirt with the new Zara necklace that I have recently bought and just pearl earrings just to match. And I feel so festive and ready to hit the ground running for Christmas Eve. Now, essentially today in my world is the 23rd, so I still have cleaning to do and cooking to do. But by the time this video goes live, I will be in my element. I'll be entertaining, making last minute preps and finalizing the layout for Christmas Eve, and then enjoying it with family and friends. And I wish you all the merriest of Christmases. May you be sharing it with loved ones, with friends, whatever it is that brings you joy. I hope that you can do that on Christmas and remember the meaning behind Christmas. Now, enough of that. Let me proceed. Last night, we finally cracked open the puzzle that I had bought from TK Maxx early this year, and my daughters and I sat down and just started by setting up the border and just enjoy some quality time together. During the day, I made the Caponata, which I will cut away now and show you. I've got the eggplants down here that I'm going to be chopping up and salting so I can turn them into eggplant caponata with some of the capsicum that I've already cut up into small pieces. Okay, a quick glug of olive oil, because the eggplant will absorb a lot of it. And then in here, I have the bolognese sauce cooking for the lasagna. That's all the juices that came out of the eggplant. Once the eggplant is brown, take it out, add the capsicum and the olives, capers, add the canned tomatoes. Stir it. Put it on low and let it simmer. I also made bolognese sauce, and I don't do anything differently with my bolognese than so many of you do, so there's no point for me to show you how I did that. And today I'm just going to give the house a quick last minute clean. Basically I just have to mop the floors because the vacuum cleaner does the vacuuming. And then I have to make 2 salads. I had originally, if you notice my plan in one of the Vlogmases, I think it was Vlogmas 21 or 22, no 21, I created a plan of action of what I was going to do when and the menu that I was going to create. Slight tweaks have been made, so I've decided that today I will make the chickpea salad and the cannellini salad. I probably won't show you the whole step. I'll just link to the recipe that I'm following, because I think I'll just follow it to a T this time because I've never made it before and I don't know how to improve on it. I'll tag the link in the description box below for you in case you want to do it. And then I've decided that for Christmas Eve, I'll also make a lasagna for us to have on Christmas Eve, only because my family is concerned that there's not going to be enough left over on Christmas Day. So I thought I'll just make a little one for us because we are going to have so much other food. But if you're like me, you know that you're always worried that there's not going to be enough food on Christmas Eve. So I'm just going to make a little one, nothing fancy, just one this small, because so many people, or a couple of the people are vegetarian and vegan, so they won't touch it. But and also dairy free. So 3 people out of the 21 won't be able to touch it. So it means that a little one will be fine for the night, along with all the other food that I'm also going to be preparing. I've decided that I'm going to tweak the cannoli filling because we ended up having it last night. I just asked at the table during family dinner, hey, does anyone want to try the cannoli that I made or the filling that I made for the cannoli? And of course, everyone said yes. So I ended up using the majority of what I had made for dessert last night. So I'm going to make another batch of that today for tomorrow night. And then what else am I going to do? Probably a few other things, but I don't know. I basically, once I film this, I'm going to turn off the camera, maybe have it while I'm making the salads to show you maybe take some photos of the salads. But pretty much this is going to be my last video for 2024. So let's cut away to opening the last of the Kiehl's Advent Calendar. Day 24 of the Kiehl's Advent Calendar. It's a biggie. And it says, hydration that goes beyond. Ooh, and it's a decent size. This is a 28 ml, which I feel is actually like a small size, not a travel size. It's a decent size of the Ultra Facial Cream. It's a 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula with a 4.5% squalene and a glacial glycoprotein. This is definitely a good size. I feel like this is a standard size off the shelf. So I'm really happy with this. And I'm looking forward to trying all the new products that I've received in the Advent Calendar. I'd like to take a quick moment to thank each and every one of you who subscribes, hits the notification bell, watches my video, comments, likes, shares my video, supports me through super thanks, supports me through my channel membership, and watches through those interminable ads that help support my channel and my ability to be able to turn up here with hauls, with vlogs, with days in the life, and all the things that you've enjoyed this year. Before I wrap it up, I'd like to invite you, if you have enjoyed Vlogmas 2024 this year and the format of being more interactive and having more of a real live view in life and sharing life together like I've done this month, then I encourage you and I humbly invite you to join me over on Deborah After 50 Unlocked, where next year I will be coming back with more of that kind of content. Deborah After 50 will still remain. I'll just have a second channel where I'll be showing you more of the Vlogmas style content that I have been able to do this month. So many of you have been telling me every day in the comments, I love this content. I wake up in the morning and I watch you with my cup of tea and I'm so going to miss you. And you won't have to, because next year I'm coming back with more of this content, but on Deborah After 50 Unlocked. Deborah After 50 will remain with styling, with shopping, with Kmart, Target, all the things, Big W, all the things that you love. But Deborah After 50 Unlocked will have more of what Vlogmas 2024 was like. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to all of you who have supported me from day one and from yesterday. It doesn't matter. I value and appreciate every single one. I wish you a very Merry Christmas, a blessed and super fabulous New Year's, and I hope that 2025 brings you everything that your heart desires. I'm going to be taking a short 2-week break to just be and enjoy a little break, maybe hit the beaches if the Melbourne weather allows, and then I come back re-energized in 2025 to share more of Life After 50 with Deborah with you. Until next time, my friends, which will be next year. Thank you for watching. Bye.